Hi, good morning. Happy morning. First Monday of the month. Yan, andito kami sa
first Monday of the
sa Cubana poolside. Say hi.
Ah, hindi ba yan?
Yes, video.
video.
Hindi lang ba yan?
Hi.
Hello, good morning. Okay.
Ayan, good morning po. Depressed ang isa dyan kasi hindi siya makaswimming
Di bale, may
Because
next time pa sa Bulacan.
because she didn't wear a proper attire for swimming. So, ayan, hindi kami allowed. Hanggang dito lang kami sa upuan. Enjoying the morning. Look at the pool. Napakalinaw ng tubig.
Mag-live tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Live!
Live
Yay!
talaga yan.
We're live!
Facebook live daw siya.
Facebook
Facebook
Live.
Live. Hello!
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good
Good
morning.
morning.
Hello, Philippines.